Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Akuse's Tasty Recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So, for today's recipe, I will be making crispy fried chicken. Yes, KFC style. No need to go out and buy KFC chicken. You just have to watch this recipe and make it at home, okay? So, let's get started. These are the list of ingredients I will be using for this recipe. So the first thing to do is to soak the chicken in salt water for 2 to 3 hours, or you can do this process overnight. I made mine overnight because I will be using it in the morning. So make sure to wash your chicken before you soak it in the salt water. Once you put it in the salt water, you put it back in the fridge, not the freezer. Okay, so it's 9 a.m. in the morning, and then this is our chicken. So I will be using kitchen towel or paper towel to dry off the water from my chicken. Make sure the chicken is dry so that it can adapt to the spices that you'll be using later. So once I'm done with the chicken, I'll go ahead and mix all my spices together. I will be listing all the spices in the description box. So the next thing I'll be doing is a flour mixture that I will be using to coat the chicken. So I added 1 cup of flour in my mixing bowl, and then some of the spices I listed earlier, and then 1 cup of buttermilk and 1 egg. If you don't have buttermilk, it's simple to make it at home. Just add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to your fresh milk, or you can also add 2 tablespoons of lemon to your fresh milk. Mix everything together until it's smooth. So at this point, I will be coating my chicken with the spices. So what I did was I added most of the spices in a plate and then mix it with water. Make sure it's paste form, not too watery. Then you coat your chicken with the spices that you've mixed. So once it's well coated, I will set it aside and then do the last coating mixture. So what I'm going to do is I have 2 cups of flour, and I will be adding the remaining spices and then mix everything together. So in all, I divided the spices into 3. So the next thing is to coat your chicken. So what I'm going to do is I'll first coat it with the flour mixture or the dry ingredient, and then I will coat it in the wet ingredient before I take it back to the dry ingredient. So just follow the method and then coat all your chicken, okay? So whilst you're coating the chicken, make sure your oil is on the fire, also heating up. So please, this is a deep frying. You wouldn't want your chicken to be soggy. So make sure the oil is enough. So once you're done coating, you go ahead and fry. As I said, make sure the oil is hot enough, and then allow it to fry for 15 minutes. Once you dip the chicken in the oil, lower it a bit and allow the chicken to cook very well for 15 minutes or until it's golden brown. Flip it or turn it with your skewer or kebab stick or fork, and then allow the other side to cook as well. So the first batch is done, and I'm going to keep it on the rack for the excess oil to be drained out, and then I'll add the remaining chicken that I have. Yes, you just follow the same process as I did to achieve a good result. This already smells so good in my kitchen. Okay, so that's the outcome of all the chicken. It's crispy and it smells so good. Okay, so I will let you see how this chicken is. Look at it, a close view of how it looks. I'm going to taste this and I will also show you how crispy it is. Just look at that. Very crunchy and crispy. Okay, so I'm going to serve myself one piece of chicken and some fries. I made some air fried potato fries and then some ketchup. So that's for lunch. I'm going to enjoy this. This smells so good and then it was juicy and tender. Okay, so if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share and stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. Take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.